Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a really clean 2025 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 North Star. Front tires look like they're around 75% tread. Has a 4,500 pound synthetic rope winch, glass fixed windshield, side mirrors, 8-ply tires. Rear tires look like they're around 75% tread. Hydraulic dump box. This has got the form-fitted seats, heat, air conditioning, has turn signals, rear view mirror, 248 engine hours on this machine, 4,335 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call, 406-232-3300.